gem collection. I want to show you this time my creation. This earring with rose quartz and jade. This is Mexican design with jade and some other pieces. It was a Norwegian guy who came to my gallery a day and he wanted me to sell some of his necklaces that he got from Mexico. Actually, it was from his son that more than 15 years ago he was used to live in Mexico City, and these necklaces he got from a Mexican designer, and it was on his storage actually, and he wanted to bring it out, and now it's displayed on my gallery. I will show you in the next video every piece of them. Very special, very authentic, handcrafted. It's not for everyone, it's for those who know how to style, not only be following the fashion actually. So it's more for styling yourself. And I love my ring. This one is from Tibet. Look at this. Look at the cuts. It's my favorite. I'm thinking to keep this beautiful one for myself. So these are rose quartz beads. I made them as a statement earring, and I think these are so cool. Also, you can stack all these Bohemian jades. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and which type of jewelry you prefer me to share. Simple, minimal, or Bohemian with gems. By the way, everything in my entire jewelry collection is unique, handcrafted, and one of a kind, so you wouldn't find it in any other places. Let me know what do you love the best, and I will share more of that.